Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vanili Putri and I am from Group G, class Grammar for TOEFL. So for today's material, which is error with conjunctions, I will explain about two kinds of error with conjunction, which is correlative and coordinate. But before, let me introduce my team, which is Group G. The first one is me, Vanadi Putri, and then two of my partners, Farisa Angela and Amira Vanessa. Okay, so let's get into the topic. So our topic today is error with conjunctions. So error with conjunction typically arise when the rules for using them are not followed correctly. So that's what we call as errors. Conjunction, as we know, are words used to connect clauses, sentence, phrases, or words. And errors can distort the meaning of a sentence. And now, I'm going to explain about the errors with correlative conjunction first. So, correlative conjunction are a two-part conjunctions. Error usually involve an incorrect combination of the two parts, such as neither, or, not only, and. Anytime you see a sentence containing correlative conjunction, you should be on the lookout for this type of error. Here's the example of correlative conjunction: neither, nor, either, or, both, and, not only but also, and whether, or. And there is another error that another error is the use of both and to join three elements. So when you find a sentence use both and correlative conjunction, but they put three elements in it, so it's considered to be an error because we only use both and for two elements. Okay, that's all about the topic for correlative conjunction. Now let's practice together with me. The first question: X-ray have important applications not only in medicine and industry. So what do you think is the correct answer? Okay, so the correct answer is C. Not only must pair with but also, not and. So the correct sentence is supposed to be not only in medicine but also in industry. So the correct answer is C. And then next, the second question: the air that surrounds our planet is both odorless, colorless, and visible. So this is an error. Do you know why? And what is the answer? Yep, the answer is D. Because as I said before, when we use correlative conjunction both and, we only use it for two elements. But in this sentence, there are three elements, which is odorless, colorless, and invisible. So it is incorrect. We should, to make it correct, we should not pair them together, or we can just erase both. Okay, now we come to the last kind or types, which is coordinate conjunction. So the conjunction and is used to show addition, right? And the conjunction or is used to show choice between alternatives, and but is used to show contrast or oppositions. So coordinate conjunction, there are 7 of them, as we know as fanboys, which is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So these errors with coordinate conjunction happen when conjunction, the fanboys, are used incorrectly. So this error can make sentence unclear and grammatically incorrect. So if you anytime you find a sentence with coordinate conjunction in it, but they use incorrectly, so that's when you call it an errors in coordinate conjunction. Now let's take a look at this practice questions. Brakes and clutches serve very different function in an automobile, and their principle of operation are nearly the same. Do you know what the answer is? Okay, so the correct answer is C, N. Why? Because the first class is discussed about how brake and clutches are different, which is a contrast or opposition. Meanwhile, the second clause discusses how they are the same. Therefore, the conjunction joining them must show contrast. So the answer C, which is N, we should replace them with a conjunction but. So the correct sentences is brakes and clutches serve very different function in an automobile, but their principles of operation are nearly the same. Okay, so that's all about our material today, which is errors with conjunction and two types of conjunction, correlative and coordinate conjunction. Thank you for watching. Sorry for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.